Renovated 2-bedroom 1-bath cooperative in courtyard on the 2nd floor. This home is turnkey, large living room and formal dining room for gatherings. Kitchen features quartz countertops, soft close kitchen drawers, Samsung appliances and counter island. Overhead lighting has been installed in all the rooms, crown molding, and stackable washer/dryer in the unit. This home has been well maintained and as a bonus, it's pet friendly. Monthly maintenance includes heat, hot water, cooking gas, electric, real estate taxes and cable. Base maintenance is $748.77, $50 cable, $12 washing machine, $12 dryer, total $822.77 per month. Ideally located near a shopping center, public transportation, express bus to Midtown, airport and major highways.